Hi, my name is Mike Spence, and I'm the production manager at Accent Roofing. Today's Roofing 101 discussion is when and how often you should get your roof inspected by a professional roofer. In general, we recommend that you get your roof inspected every 2 to 3 years until the point that it reaches 15 years old. Once your roof reaches 15 years old, we recommend that you get your roof inspected annually. In Georgia, due to the extremely hot climate, the weather conditions, and then other factors that go into that as far as the way your roof was put together, it is very vital once your roof reaches 15 years old to get it inspected annually. We also recommend that you get your roof checked after any major weather event. Not every rainstorm, but if there's any kind of tornadoes, hail, or winds over 45 miles an hour, it's definitely a great idea to get your roof checked just to see if everything's still all systems go with your roof. When we do a roof inspection, we check several things on your roof, starting with your sewer pipe flashing, all roof penetrations, ventilation, the chimney flashing. Finally, we check for the two most obvious, which is going to be hail or wind damage. Here at Accent Roofing, we'll provide you with the photos and the best options on how to proceed through that situation. So if it's time to have your roof checked, give us a call at Accent Roofing for your free roof inspection. That wraps up this week's Roofing 101. Check us out next time to learn more about your roof.